Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the next place, do this with me because this is a little tricky to find. You have your collarbone that goes across and then goes down, right? So right at that junction where it goes from across to down, that corner, that's the next spot. And so you say, you can feel it, it's hard tissue right there, this headache. The next place on there that they have on that one, there used to be one right here.
Maybe it could be like 2 inches below or above or something like that.
Yeah, we'll get to that one.
Yeah, what's the tender spot?
Yeah, that one, we do this instead of the tender spot.
Okay.
So there used to be one right here, but for social reasons, people stopped doing that because it's too close for females. So the next one is in your armpit, kind of bra strap level for ladies. Guys, just figure it out. It's just kind of right there. And as you say, this problem. And then the last place is top of your head. Now, it's not top of your head, but if you were Jewish and you had a skull cap on, and it's right in the middle of that. So it's not here, it's here. Kind of same idea as the white chakra, right? Right there. There are some people who this is the only one they do. They call this in Chinese the Jian 10 point. All of the meridians come to here somehow. They're all connected to this spot. It's really interesting how much we do this. We just frequently will go, where did I put those keys? Right? Don't you find that amazing that every time it's almost like, where were those keys? That's not an accident. I think there's a connection there. But in this case, we're just this headache. And then we take a deep breath. And then we analyze ourselves again on a scale from 1 to 10. And we tune into that headache and see what's happened to it. And then, depending on what's happened to it, you do another round. And I'll show you what that looks like. Okay?
Or just this problem?
Say that again.
In each area, or do you just say this?
This problem. Yep.
You only do the
Yeah,
the sentences the first time.
even though I have this problem, that's just the karate chop point.
And then the tapping is
What
the problem.
what people used to do, I just never see this anymore. This is where they would use the tenders. If you rub right here, and if you've got pain, you know, right in that spot there, they would use this instead of this. I don't know why. I mean, none of this makes any sense. None of it does to me. But they would say, even though I have this problem, and they'd be rubbing, if there's pain there, that indicated they were on target with the problem.
Does this work on symptoms that you're not currently feeling?
Yeah.
So like when you're usually not having to feel it right then, but
Yeah.
not having it.
If you know you're going to be nervous for the test on Tuesday, then you can say, even though I know I'm going to be nervous for this test on Tuesday, and you feel what that's going to feel like as closely as you can, yeah.
Oh, there was some singing with this.
There is a version that uses that nobody ever does anymore. I mean, 10 years ago, that was right in the middle of this, especially with the addictions, things that were seemingly more difficult to yeah. Yeah, I remember that. You'd do all, there's all kinds of points and circly things and things you do with your eyes, and I know you're like, holy crap, this is just way I'm out of here.
This is like easier, simple.
Yeah, that's why I like it. And like I said, some people, I've seen people who are EFT practitioners who this is the only one they do. They just, even though I have this headache, and it's this headache, and no more headache.